Good morning! Happy Sunday! We're gonna go to the mall, get some gift shopping done. It's so nice out. I love this weather. I love this weather. This is my kind of weather. Sunny and cold. Perfect. Talaga yung ganitong weather. Sana pwede itong dalhin sa Dubai. Charot. See you later.
Fam, so dumaan kami sa mailbox namin ngayon. I had the feeling, I was just thinking about this like few minutes ago. Sabi ko, i-video namin ni James kapag dumating na siya. So let's open this together. Yan o, galing kami sa mailbox namin. Ano to? This is our premium rebate for the energy something for the New Brunswick Energy Rebate Program. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, look. No, you want to see the amount? Okay. This is the amount. May pambaon na sa Philippines. OMG. Thank you, Papa Jesus. Wow. Tonto ba Sinday? Thank you, Lord, for this windfall money. Thank you, Lord, so much. So, what it is, rebate sa aming rebate on our mortgage insurance premium because we outfitted our home with energy saving devices
which translates to
mini split. So nagpakabit kami ng dalawang extra mini split which we are gonna show you in our home tour para makita nyo kung saan namin nilagay yung mini split namin in our living room and in our basement. So when you do that, the government of Canada, not the government of Canada, actually the government of Canada would rebate you or would reimburse you some amount sa bahay mo. So in our case, oh my gosh, I'm so excited I can't collect my thoughts. Mamaya i-explain ko na lang. See you later, guys, on our next video. Hi, Fur Fam! We're coming to you live, charot. We're coming to you from the Centennial Park of Mountain. Dito kami magde-date. Napagod siya, naglakad siya papunta sa ihian. So, where was I? As I was saying, meron kaming windfall money from Sagen, which is our mortgage insurance provider. So when we bought our house, our mortgage insurance was provided by, binaliktad ko lang by Sagen. And because of the energy savings program ng Canada, when you upgrade your home into an energy efficient home, aka nagpalagay ka ng mini split or central
any climate
controlled devices.
Yun lang.
You'll get a rebate, and which is about 25% of your mortgage insurance. So in our case, 25% is about $3,019. So yun yung nakuha namin today from our mailbox. Kaya nag-date na lang kami sa Tim Hortons kasi napambili na kami, guys. And then we also got $800 from New Brunswick Power, from NB Power, as rebate. So they give $400 per mini split na rebate. Because we installed 2 mini splits, we got $800. So in total, we received $3,819 from Sagen and from NB Power as rebate for installing 2 mini splits in our home. So we are very grateful about that. Saka nakakita, di ba, ng ganun? This is chipotle chicken. Hello. Yes.
Anong masasabi mo ngayon? Maaraw. Malamig, no?
Sobrang sarap ng weather. Nalasahan ko.
Anong lasa? Sarap ba?
Punta kami sa malaki naming mall. Champlain Mall. Papalayasin ko muna tong asawa ko para paka-shopping ako.
Di daw siya makaikot kasi
Hindi ako makakonsentrate.
sunod ako na.
Ano ba yan?
Okay naman. Oo, di ba?
Sige. Diyan ko. See ya. Yeah. No fish sauce.
Tingin.
Sliced cabbage. Ito na lang. Fish sauce free.
Tingin.
This is 13.